In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete the blank space in CapCut, perfect for cleaning up your timeline and making your video flow smoothly. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut and import your video. Drag it to the timeline like this. Now, to make things easier, zoom in on your timeline so you can clearly see where the gaps or empty spaces are. As you can see, the gap is right here. Now blank space usually appears when there's a gap between two clips. Now click and drag the next clip to the left to close the gap with the video. And like this, drag it like this. Now drag the next clip to the left to close the gap like this. Now CapCut's snap-in feature will automatically line it up. Now go through your timeline and repeat the process wherever you see the empty spaces. And that's it. You have cleaned up the blank space and your video now flows seamlessly. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for quick tips. Thank you for watching.